You watch the sky above an old city skyline, pigeons drifting across sunlit rooftops, and you wonder if one of those city birds is listening, watching, reporting. Imagine tiny brain chips deep inside a pigeon's skull, solar-powered backpacks strapped to their backs, GPS humming, cameras alive. Ordinary birds turned into wired watchers of our world. That's not science fiction anymore. In Moscow, a neurotechnology firm called NIRI claims to have implanted neural interfaces into flocks of pigeons, then sent them out on guided journeys. They say operators can steer flight paths simply by uploading commands. The birds supposedly want to fly where told. Some of them have flown from a lab and returned, a full loop under remote control. You can almost hear the soft flutter of wings, the quiet hum of microelectronics blending with real flesh and bone. According to reports, the backpacks carry electronics, GPS trackers, even cameras. The system draws energy from solar panels. So in daylight, these biodrones roam untethered, blending in among real birds. It seems like a breakthrough for surveillance. A drone that doesn't buzz and whir, that doesn't rouse suspicion, that melts into the everyday backdrop of urban life. For critical infrastructure inspections, environmental monitoring, maybe search and rescue, neat, efficient, inconspicuous. But that wasn't the strange part. The real shock hits when you consider what else this could enable. Remote eyes over cities, war zones, private spaces. Some reports suggest the firm aims to expand beyond pigeons. Ravens, seagulls, even albatrosses for coastal or maritime missions. Birds that can carry more payload, maybe cameras, maybe worse. You might think, surely there would be ethics, oversight, transparency. Researchers claim 100% survival rates from the surgery, that no training is needed, that the birds aren't mistreated or coerced. It's quick implant, flock 'em fly. But can you ever verify what happens out of sight? Then a deeper question sinks in. If animals become tools, does that blur the line between life and machine? Are these pigeons still alive, or are they just living drones? A feathered surveillance network hidden in plain sight. Some believe this could be the next step in warfare and espionage, a rise of biosurveillance that outsmarts traditional drone defense. Others call the whole thing propaganda, a bluff, a psychological weapon. The truth hovers just out of reach. In a world where technology can reach deep inside brain matter, control instincts, redirect flight, maybe the sky is no longer a safe place. The question remains, if a pigeon can spy on you, what else could be watching? And that question stays open. If you want to dive deeper, keep watching our stories. Subscribe for the next part. Unfolding mysteries await.